Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of TikTok and explore how to convert your earnings into a bank account. TikTok, the social media platform that's taken the world by storm, is more than just a place to share videos. It's also a platform for creators to monetize their content. With TikTok's Creator Fund, you can earn money by creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. Once you've reached the minimum payout threshold, TikTok will transfer your earnings into your bank account. To do this, you'll need to provide your bank account information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Remember, it's essential to keep your account information secure and private. Only share it with trusted sources, and always double-check the information before submitting it. That's it for today's tech tip. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring the digital world.